Dear student, today we will understand four operations of algebraic expression. In earlier classes, you have studied about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. But now we are studying about algebraic expressions. In algebraic expression or in algebra is a branch of mathematics. In algebra, we use these four operations you know about them. You know addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. But simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, you can solve them easily. But in algebra, there are some rules, and in algebra we use variables also with numerals. Now, how they are added, subtracted, multiplied or divided? Once I asked some student in the class that what becomes minus and minus. Students say that minus minus plus, plus plus minus, minus plus minus. In which operation? If I am asking you with context to addition, then there are separate rules. Subtraction, separate, different rule. And in multiplication, there are different rules. And in division, there are also some different rules. But the students say that, sir, minus minus becomes plus, plus plus becomes minus, plus plus becomes minus, never becomes minus. In which operation? So, understand these four operations with reference to algebra very carefully and then apply them and practice them. Only then you can understand the mathematics. This topic is in 7th standard only, 6th standard. But it is used in 10th also. When you will solve simultaneous equation in 10th standard or any other equation in 9th standard, then there is a need of these four operations. Sometimes students say that, sir, when we are writing minus and when we are writing plus, there is no problem, digit are same. No. This is absolutely wrong. When you are not using sign properly, then this is absolutely wrong. This is a number line. You can see this is a number line. On its right hand side, we denote the number which are of positive sign or positive numbers. While on left hand side, we denote the number of negative sign or negative numbers. So, why there is not difference between plus and minus? Between plus and minus, why there is not different? There is a difference between plus and minus, and you have to understand, learn and then practice these signs. First, I will explain the rules of addition in algebra. First rule is like terms are added. Like terms are added. First rule is like terms are added. Like terms means 7x, 8x, 9x all have x with them. This is numeric value, numerals or coefficient, simply we call it coefficient, and this is variable. This is x is variable. So these are like term. But when there is 8y, 9z, these are not like term. In algebra, when we are saying you to add these three terms, then simply the answer will be, we will put a sign of plus among them, and this is the correct. Now we cannot add 7 plus 8, 15 plus 9, 24. We cannot write them 24xyz. No, because they are not like term, so we will not add them. Okay, so like terms are added. Okay, second rule is the number of or the expression of the numbers of same signs are added, and the sign of answer, it is not written in the book, but this is the language by which you can understand it easily. The motto or the aim of our video is to explain it clearly, and the answer of and the sign of answer is the same. I am giving you a simple example. Suppose that there is a name, or there is any commodities like this: 4 kg wheat, 3 kg wheat, 5 kg wheat. What will be the answer? 4 plus 3, 7 plus 5, 12 kg of rice or wheat. Rice or wheat? It will be wheat. So how minus numbers can be plus? No. Answer will be in minus. Answer will be in minus. Suppose that there are three numbers, minus 4x, minus 5x, 4 number, we can take 4 number, and minus x. So wheat, like this, minus, the sign of answer is the same. Now 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, and this is 1x. Here is not any coefficient, so we will take 1 here. So this is 1x. 9, 7, 16, 16 and 1, 17x. Answer is 17x. Which sign? Minus. You will say that minus 17x. Some students write like this, first they are writing 17x then minus. No, this is also the wrong method to write the algebraic expression. First you have to think about the sign. As there is a sign, so you have to think about the sign first. So first put the sign, then numeric value, then variable. This is the right procedure to write the answer. Never use the sign in the end. If you are writing minus first, then coefficient, and then variable. Suppose that these numbers are of positive sign, so there is not need to put the positive sign. If we are writing 4x, then this is plus 4x. Okay? 5x, plus 7x and plus x. Now where is your method that when you say that sir plus becomes minus, plus becomes never minus, minus becomes plus, but not in addition. It minus is plus in multiplication only. Okay? Sometime it is in division also, but in addition minus 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 becomes minus. Same sign will be used. Plus plus plus, same sign will be used. Here is a plus 17x. If you are not putting here the sign of plus, then it will be taken as plus 17x also. Okay. And third rule, the sign of the numbers of opposite signs are numbers of opposite signs are subtracted. Now you will ask that, sir, this is addition and you are writing here subtraction. So in algebra we use subtraction also in addition operation, are subtracted, and we use the sign of greater number in answer. Here are the numbers of same sign, so these are added and the sign of answer is same. Minus minus minus, answer will be minus. Plus plus, answer will be in plus. But when there are two numbers and they are of different sign, then we subtract them. Although this operation is addition, but there is addition and subtraction in addition operation also in algebra. Suppose that minus 17x plus 13x and plus 13x plus 17x minus 13x. Now these are two numbers which have opposite sign, so they will be subtracted, and in answer we use the sign of greater number. Which sign the greater number has? Minus. So we will use here minus and then 4x. 17 minus 13 means 4 minus. Here is 17 is greater than 13 and 17 have positive sign, so the answer will be plus 4x. So these are three rules for addition and in algebra. Now we will start subtraction. In subtraction, there are only two numbers. One number is which number which have to be subtracted. Another number from which then another number has to subtracted. एक नंबर वो होगी जो माइनस होगी और जिसमें से माइनस होगी वो नंबर. There are two numbers. Okay? So first rule is that we change the sign of the number which have to be subtracted. जिस नंबर को घटाना है, माइनस करना है, उस नंबर के साइन चेंज होंगे. जिस नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है उस नंबर के साइन चेंज होंगे. अदर रूल्स आर सेम as addition. Only there are two rules. You study about the rules of addition, so here you have to remind them. These three, there are three rules. Like terms are added, the numbers of same signs are added, and the sign of answer is the same. So when you subtract one number from another, then change the number, we change the sign of the number which have to be subtracted. जिस नंबर को माइनस करना है उसके साइन चेंज होंगे. इट मीन्स नीचे वाली सेकेंड नंबर जो है, द साइन ऑफ सेकेंड नंबर विल बी चेंज, एंड देन अदर रूल्स विल सेम एज एडिशन. आई एम गिविंग यू सम एग्जाम्पल. सपोज दैट हियर इज a question, subtract 4x from 7x, or minus 4x from 8x, or 11x from minus 7x. In algebra, a smaller greater number can be subtracted from a smaller number by changing their, we have to change the sign. So greater number can be also subtracted from a smaller number. There should be no problem. This is subtraction of algebra, not subtraction of arithmetic. In subtraction of arithmetic, a smaller number can be, greater number cannot be subtracted from a smaller number, but in algebra we can solve this 4x. Now subtract 4x from 7x. Which number we will write first? 7x. Here the question is subtract 4x. 4x को subtract करें किस में से? 7x से. तो first we will write 7x, then 4x. What is the rule? We change the sign of number which have to be subtracted. Which number have to be subtracted here? 4x, and the sign of 4x is plus here, so we will put here minus. Now 7x minus 4x, and the answer is 3x, and it will be, there will be sign of plus, because we have already studied in addition that the number of opposite signs are subtracted, and in answer we use the sign of greater number, so the answer will be 3x plus 3x. Okay, minus 4x from, second question is minus 4x from 8x. First we will write which number? 8x. We will write 8x, then minus 4x. Now first rule, we change the sign of number which have to be subtracted. Here which number have to be subtracted? 4x. So 4x is given in the question, minus 4x, so we will change the sign of 4x, and it will be plus. Now 8x and 4x are numbers of same signs. 8x positive, 4x. After changing the sign, we will take the number, sign of number, when after changing, this sign is taken, not this. Whatever is given, this sign will not taken. Changing sign we will take. 8x positive number and 4x positive. So according to the second rule, addition rule, the number of same sign are added, and in answer we use the same sign, or we can write plus 12x or only 12x. Okay, another example, number third. 11, subtract 11x from 7x. Which number have to be subtracted? 11x. From which number? Minus 7x. So we will write minus 7x first, then 11x. Now we change the sign of the number which have to be subtracted. Here which number have to be subtracted? 11x, and the sign of 11x in question is given positive. It is positive plus, so we will change it into minus. Now two numbers are of same sign, so they will be added, not subtracted. They will be added, and 18x is the answer, and it will be minus because the sign of number is same. The sign in the answer is same. So these are two operation of algebraic expression, and now in the next video we will explain remaining two operation. They are multiplication and division for you.